So today we'll be discussing about this differential equation. So this differential equation is a method using variable separable equation. So first thing to do is to isolate the y in dy and x in dx over 1 minus c e raised to the 4x.
Complex problems. Don't worry. Make it easy.
So we will do that dy. If we will transfer this y squared minus 4 to the other side, we will divide it both sides by y squared minus 4. So it will be dy over y squared minus 4. And then this dx, if we will transfer this to the other side, it will be equals to dx. So after that, after we separate the dy with dy's and the dx with x, so there's no x here, so we will integrate this both sides. It will be integratable. So this will be now integratable. We will first integrate this because this is easy and this is much more complicated, so we'll be doing it last. So dy over y squared minus 4 equals 2. So if we will integrate dx, it will be x, and then we will not forget the plus c. So this type of integration is falls to a method using partial fraction decomposition. So in order to do that, we will cancel this dy first. So 1 over y squared minus 4 is equal to 2. So it will now be a over the factor of this y squared minus 4, which is y plus 2. So we will recall y squared minus 4 is equal to y plus 2 times y minus 2. So 1 over y squared minus 4, if we will decompose it, it will be a over y plus 2 plus b over this y minus 2. So after that, we will multiply both sides y squared minus 4. So if we will multiply it, this will be cancelled. So we'll erase this. It will be cancelled. So it will left with 1. And if you will multiply y squared minus 4 with a over y plus 2, the remaining will be a times the factor y minus 2. After that, we will distribute this to b. So b, if we will multiply y squared minus 4 to b over y minus 2, it will left with y plus 2. So now we can find the values of a and b. So in order to find the values of a and b, we will let y to a certain value that a or b will become 0. So if you would like to know what is the value of b, we will make this 0. So how to do that is you have to know how to make it 0. So if we let y equals to, how to make this 0 is to let y equals to 2. So 2 minus 2 equals 0. So y equals to 2. So let y equals to 2. So 1 equals to a. So we have this let y equals to 2. 2 minus 2 plus b. Y, let y is 2 plus 2 here. 2 plus 2. After that, simplify. 1 is equals to 2 minus 2 is equals to 0. And this will be all be 0. So this is 0 plus b. This is 4. So b 4b. So after that, we will know, we'll have the value of b. So this will be cancelled. So 4b is equals to 1. And we will divide it by 4, both sides. So the value of b is equals to 1/4. Now, we will now find the value of a. So we will also let, so 1 is equals to a times y minus 2 plus b y plus 2. If we let, we will have to find the value of a, so we will make this value 0. So we let that y. So if we will have to find the value of a here, in order to do that, we make it 0. So y must be negative 2. So in order, after that, we will put the value of y. So a times negative 2 minus 2 plus b times negative 2 plus 2. So we will erase this. Rewriting a negative 2 minus 2 plus b negative 2 plus 2. Now, this is a times negative 2 minus 2, which is negative 4. So this will be negative 4a plus this will all be 0. So 0. After that, a will now have the value of a, which is, we will transpose this to the other side, which is negative 1/4. So we have the value of b is 1/4. So now, this equation y squared minus 4 is equal to a over y plus 2 plus b over y minus 2. So the value of a is negative 1/4. So we'll replace it with negative 1/4. Negative 1/4. And this b is 1/4. So simplifying it, this is 1 over y squared minus 4 and negative 1. This would be in the denominator, so 4 over times y plus 2 plus 1 over, this would be also in the denominator, so 4 times y minus 2. So if you remember from the dy over y squared minus 4, that is integral, is equal to x plus c. Now this is equal to this, so therefore negative 1 over 4 times y plus 2 plus 1 over 4 times y minus 2. And then the dy equals to x plus c. So this, we will distribute the integral sign. So integral of negative 1 over 4 y plus 2 plus we will not forget the dy, and then dy over 4 times y minus 2, and then they equals to x plus c. So we will factor out the constant. So the constant here is negative 1/4. So negative 1/4, and then the integral dy over y plus 2, and also here plus will be going to the outside, so 1/4 integral of dy over y minus 2 equal to x plus c. So if you recall, if in your integral lessons before, if we let this denominator into u, let u y plus 2, the derivative of u is du equal to the derivative of y plus 2 is dy. So this falls to the integral of du over u, which is equal to ln u plus c. So this integral of dy over y plus 2 is equal to negative 1/4 now, and then this formula ln u, which is ln the u before is u is equals to y plus 2, so therefore ln y plus 2. So we have the plus c here, so there's no need to put the plus c. Plus this, copy 1/4. This is also equal to the integral of du over u, which is y minus 2 is u. So therefore it is ln u, which is y minus 2, then it is equal to x plus c. So after that, we will arrange it. We will first the positive side on the first, so 1/4 ln y minus 2 for convenience, so 1 minus 1 over 4 ln y plus 2 equals to x plus c. Then we will multiply this to 4 in order to cancel this 4 in the denominator. This whole expression, we will multiply this to 4. So if you multiply this to 4, it will now be ln 4 times 1/4 ln y minus 2 is equal to ln y minus 2, and then here minus, multiply it by 4, so ln y plus 2, and then here 4 times x is 4x, and 4 times c is 4c. So notice this is in an arbitrary constant, and if you multiply it to 4, it is also a constant, so we don't have an exact value. So therefore, 4c is also equal to c. So we will erase this. So plus c. So our goal here is to cancel, to have a y, a function of x. So we will cancel this natural log. So in order to do that, we have to recall our knowledge in properties of logarithm, which is this ln a minus ln b is equal to ln a over b. So ln y minus 2 minus ln y plus 2 is equal to ln, now a is y minus 2 over y plus 2, then equals to 4x plus c. So in order to cancel the ln, we'll also have our knowledge, remember our knowledge in the properties of logarithm, which is e to the ln a certain function, which is, we'll put u, is equal to u. So in order to cancel this, we'll have e, we'll put this in the exponent ln y minus 2 over y plus 2. If you put e here, you will also put e on the other side and make this an exponent. So e 4x plus c. So now this will be cancelled, and the remaining is, we will remember, diba? ln u is equals to u. So therefore, if you cancel this, this will be y minus 2 over y plus 2. Then copy e 4x plus c. Now here, if you recall also the power rules, the rules in the, or rules of exponent, if we have a raised, if we have n raised to an exponent a plus n raised to an exponent a plus b, it is equal to n exponent a times n exponent b. So this is equal to y minus 2 over y plus 2, this e raised to 4x, and then multiply it by e raised to the c. So notice also this is have an arbitrary constant. So therefore, this is also, e is also a constant. Therefore, e raised to c is also equal to c. So y minus 2 over y plus 2 is equals to e 4x c multiplied by c. So for convenience, we'll put this in the front, c. So now we will have to find the value of y. So in order to do that, we will multiply this. I will transfer this y plus 2 on the other side. So y minus 2, we will multiply it by y plus 2 y minus 2. So if you multiply it by y plus 2, this would be cancelled, y plus 2. Then here is y plus 2, and then the c e raised to the 4x. After that, we will distribute the CE 4x y minus 2. We will distribute this CE 4x times y is equal to CE 4x y plus, if we will distribute this, 2CE 4x. So now we will isolate the y's into y in order to factor out the y. And the constant 2 will transfer it to the other side. So y minus, will transfer it to here. So CE raised to 4x y. Then we'll transfer this negative 2 to the other side, equals to 2 CE 4x, and then if you will transfer it to the other side, it will become positive, plus 2. Now we will factor out dy. If you factor out dy, so factor out dy, so 1 minus, the remaining here is CE 4x is equals to, we'll factor out the 2 because they have a 2 in both sides. So if we'll factor out the 2, so 2 CE 4x plus, factor out this 2, so 1. We'll have the value of y here, so we'll divide it by 1 minus CE 4x. So the final answer is, this would be cancelled. Y equals to 2 parenthesis CE raised to the 4x plus 1 over 1 minus CE raised to the 4x.